Adelaide is famous for its wine country, elegant homes, and year-round sunshine. But with hot, dry summers and cooler, wetter winters, your windows need to do more than just look good. Whether you're restoring a heritage property or building a modern cellar door home, double glazed windows can be fully customised. Choose from colonial bars, timber look finishes, custom colours and specialised glass options, all designed to complement Adelaide's unique vineyard style. Adelaide enjoys a true Mediterranean climate with scorching summers that often top 40 degrees to mild, wetter winters. It's also one of Australia's driest and sunniest cities with over 2,800 hours of sunshine every year. Modern double glazing keeps homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter by improving thermal insulation. It blocks harsh UV rays that fade timber floors, furniture, even prized wine labels on display, while also creating a quieter indoor environment perfect for homes near cellar doors or popular tourist routes. Double glazing delivers both beauty and practicality, the perfect match for Adelaide's vineyard lifestyle.
Ecostar, get the best double glazing from the start.